Lee Kenny here, powerliftaccess.co.uk, showing you a tight situation. Some local tree surgeons. We've got it in a tight access. This is why the 3.5 tonne truck mate comes in handy. Going through there, boom, straight through the trees, and he's over there. And that is awkward. You can't really make it out on the video. Well, he's right through the branches there. Took some manoeuvring to get there. Obviously, one of the best in its class, 20 metre, 9 metre outreach. Boom, straight out through there. If this was an 18 tonner, 7.5 tonner, it'd sink on the ground. And it probably won't get down that gap anyway. Try this picker with an operator, fully trained, fully certified, fully insured. Visit powerliftaccess.co.uk. Thank you.